Myself National Fernandez. Welcome to the demo video of MED or the Medical Emergency Drone. The video of the MED is divided into three parts. The first part is about the design, which is explained by Darren on how the MED is designed. The second part is about the autonomous functioning of the drone, which is explained by Nishal. And the third part is done by me, which is of the flying of the prototype of our drone. To the parts of the demo video, let me explain you in brief what is MED or the Medical Emergency Drone. The Medical Emergency Drone is an autonomous functioning drone which has an inbuilt AED. So what's an AED? An AED is an automated external defibrillator which is used in case of cardiac arrest. This MED is designed in such a way that it can travel to a specific location within a specific time, within a required specific time. Person undergoes cardiac arrest, the person nearby him contacts the hospital. The GPS location of the person is sent by the hospital to the drone. The drone flies to the required location within a specific time, and the person's life could be saved. How the person's life could be saved? The person's life would be saved by the AED, which is inbuilt in the drone. The AED is consisting of two slips, which when placed at required places, it calculates the electric discharge which has to be given to the person, and all the calculations and the electric discharge will be done by the AED. The second important function of our MED is that it's autonomous functioning. In other words, we don't require a pilot to control our drone. It can be done on its own. It uses machine learning for this process. Let's look into details of how the MED is worked. Thank you.
Two people, A and B, are walking on a street. Suddenly, B starts showing signs of cardiac arrest. In general case, A calls emergency services and they inform nearest hospital to send an ambulance. In India, ambulance reaches the site in an average of 20 to 25 minutes in best case. Unless B's luck is good enough, his chances of making out of this situation keep dropping with every second. In this map, H marks the hospital and X marks the location of the patient, and the red dotted line represents the path ambulance has to take. Let's say MED has been installed or implemented in the city. As soon as A calls emergency services and requests help in cardiac arrest case, emergency services dispatch an MED to the location of caller along with regular process of sending an ambulance. MED can reach the location within 8 to 9 minutes since it's traveling in air and has no resistance like traffic or other, and can travel in the shortest path possible unlike ambulance which has to go around on the road. MED can keep the patient stabilized and increase his chances of surviving. MED will help inform the hospital about the condition of the patient, and necessary preparations could be made at the hospital. MED will also check patient's heart's condition and will help stabilize it. This video explains the design of MED. MED moves using hybrid power. It has a combustion engine and internal combustion engine and an electric motor. It switches between the power of electric motor or combustion engine or uses both as necessary and as guided by the microprocessor. It can switch between the electric motor and the combustion engine using three separate clutches present. These clutches either engage one or two with the third clutch so that the power is transmitted to the bevel gear at the center. These are further connected to a shaft which connects to the pitch adjustable propeller. The speed of combustion engine cannot be varied drastically, so we will have to use pitch adjustable propellers to adjust the speed of the rotor. The pitch is adjusted using the servo motor at the end of the wing arm. fuel tank and a battery compartment is present below the gearbox. This is separated from other compartments so that it doesn't react to the heat. Minor electronics are present below the fuel compartment, such as pin extensions and small motors. Ma- Major electronics are present at the top compartment. This contains microprocessor and microcontroller. Emergency medicine, first aid box, and MAD things are present in the next compartment. AED slips, which are important part of this project, are present below this, which are accessible from outside. A secondary uh, wide-angle camera is present at the top, which helps in case the drone is stuck with a long wall or a box type of condition. The primary camera helps the drone guide without colliding with anything. A spring stand is present to absorb the shock and prevent damage to damaging the other compartments of the drone. This drone is a quadcopter.
Hello, myself Rashmita. I'm going to explain how the video is streamed from drone and also how we use object detection in drone. For video streaming, we are using Flask with OpenCV Python. The camera takes in frames and this frame is streamed to a website. Here, the drone acts as a server, thereby streaming the video directly to the client, that is our website. The same frame is passed through a pre-trained object detection model. In our case, we are using MobileNet SSD. This model comes trained with around 90 different classes. Based on the frames, the prediction is made by the model. Based on this prediction, drone decides how to avoid the object from colliding. The prediction speed of the model is around 23 frames per second on a CPU. As shown in the video, which is a sample video passed as an input to the MobileNet using OpenCV's video capture method. In this case, the model is predicts bounding box and class name, that is the bounding box around car.
Welcome to the final part of the demonstration of our MED. In this part, we will be flying our prototype of our drone. So let's start with flying our drone. So as you have just seen our drone, so let's take it outside to fly our drone, because as we can't fly it indoors. We'll fly our drone in the outside environment. So I've called 3 of my friends who will walk on the road, and we'll fly our drone at a particular height, and we'll try to detect them using machine learning of object detection. So let's see how it goes. Currently, we are seeing at a footage which we received from our prototype. Our prototype flew at a height of 10 to 12 feet. At that feet, we detected three of our friends which were on the ground. So we set them to walk over the ground so that we could detect them. The MED successfully detected 3 of them using machine learning for object detection. So we have placed the camera at the bottom of our drone. We have just placed one camera. Another camera in our MED will be placed at straight of the drone for the front vision. The same way the objects which come in front of the MED will be detected, and the best part for its travel will be selected. This is how object detection works in our drone. As we saw the footage of our drone, that how my 3 friends were detected from the drone at a particular height. So that's the conclusion that how object detection works and how it detects the person from our drone, and this is how the MED works. Since we have just placed one camera at the bottom, and if we add the same camera at the at straight of the drone, it gets the front vision and it takes the object which comes in front of its part and chooses the best part for it to go. So we can conclude saying that it was a success of our prototype, and we would like to end our demonstration over here. Thank you for watching.